Bonjour et bienvenue à la classe de français. C'est moi encore, votre professeur de français, Madame Yvley Obakbolo. Hello, lovely. How are you doing? I guess you're doing great. Welcome to another interesting class. Today, I'm going to be teaching you les pièces de la maison. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous enseigner les pièces de la maison, c'est-à-dire en anglais, part of the house. Part of the house. That's what we'll be looking at today. Now, let's look at what we have in our homes. First of all, look at the part. Then after the part, we'll look at some of the objects we can find at home. Is that clear? Okay, now go with me. The first thing is la maison. La maison. What do you understand by la maison? La maison simply means what? A house. Okay? La maison means what? The house. Do you get it? Okay, now, in this house, let's see the kind of apartment we can find in the house. In French language. Okay, voilà. Il y a le salon. Le salon, c'est-à-dire en anglais, living room. Le salon simply means what? Living room. Is that clear? Okay, that's the first part of the house. Now let's take a look at what part of the house is next. Regardez, la chambre. La chambre. Qu'est-ce que c'est la chambre en anglais? La chambre simply means bedroom. La chambre means what? Bedroom. Now, what is a bedroom called in French language? If you are asked to name part of the house, you should be able to say le salon, la chambre. Is that clear? Now, let's take a look at the next house. Voilà, le bureau. Le bureau. Qu'est-ce que c'est le bureau? Le bureau simply means office or study room. Okay? Le bureau means what? Office or study room. Le bureau is also another part of the house. Do you get it? Okay, now let's move forward. Voilà, regardez là-bas. Le sac à manger. Le sac à manger. Qu'est-ce que c'est le sac à manger en anglais? Le sac à manger simply means what? Dining room. Dining room, where we eat. Where we take our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Is that clear? Okay, now let's take a look at the next part of the house in French language. La cuisine. Ici, on prépare la nourriture. Le petit déjeuner, le déjeuner et le dîner. Ici, on prépare le petit déjeuner, le dîner et le déjeuner. This is where we make our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So what is kitchen called in French language? Kitchen is called la cuisine. La cuisine. Is that clear? Très bien. Now let's move forward and look at what next. La salle de bain. La salle de bain. What do you understand by la salle de bain? Okay, la salle de bain simply means what? Bathroom. La salle de bain means what? Bathroom. Okay. Now let's move to the next part of the house. Le garage. Le garage. Qu'est-ce que c'est le garage en anglais? Le garage simply means what? What is the meaning of le garage? That's garage. Garage, where we park our cars. Okay? Where we do what? Where we park our cars. Is that clear? Remember, we are looking at what? Les pièces de la maison. Ou bien les parties de la maison. Il y a beaucoup les pièces de la maison en français. Okay? Now let's take a look at the next one. Voilà le jardin. Le jardin. Le jardin simply means what? Garden. Sometimes we just want to take fresh air. This is where we take fresh air. We just relax. Or we want to welcome some of our visitors. Okay, we can do it here. So le jardin simply means what? Garden. Is that clear? Okay. Now let's take a look at what we have next. Okay. Voilà des objets trouvés à la maison en français et en anglais. Now we are going to be looking at some of the objects we can find at home. Okay? After looking at the part of the house, here are some of the objects that we can find in our various homes. Now, look at le frigo. Le frigo. Qu'est-ce que c'est le frigo? Le frigo simply means what? Fridge. Le frigo means what? Fridge. Remember, I said we are looking at what? Les objets de la maison. Ok. Ça, c'est les rideaux. Les rideaux. Qu'est-ce que c'est les rideaux? Les rideaux simply means what? Curtains. Les rideaux means what? Curtains. Okay, now what are curtains called in French language? How do we pronounce curtains in French language? It is pronounced as les rideaux. Les rideaux. Is that clear? Très bien. Let's move forward. We have another object. This one is called la table. La table. It is either you call it la table or you call it une table. Okay? It is either you call it la table or une table. C'est la même chose. Il n'y a pas de différence. La table, une table. C'est la même chose. C'est clair? Très bien. Let's move to the next object. The next object is la porte. La porte. Qu'est-ce que c'est la porte? La porte simply means what? Door. La porte means what? Door. Okay? Now, how is door pronounced in French language? It's pronounced as la porte. Either you use la porte or you use une porte. C'est la même chose. Okay? Okay, the next one is la fenêtre. La fenêtre. La fenêtre. What is la fenêtre called? What is the meaning of la fenêtre? La fenêtre simply means window. Okay? La fenêtre means what? Window. Now let's look at the next object. What's the next object? Voilà, la chaise. La chaise. Si c'est pluriel, on dit les chaises. Mais ça, c'est singulier. C'est la chaise. La chaise. La chaise. What is la chaise called in English? La chaise simply means what? Chair. Is that clear? Très bien. Now let's take a look at the next object. Voilà, le tapis. It is not pronounced as le tapis. No. It is pronounced as le tapis. Le tapis. Le tapis. Not le tapis. Is that clear? Très bien. I hope you are enjoying the class. Now let's move forward to another object found at home. Regardez là-bas. Ça, c'est la télé. La télévision ou bien la télé. C'est la même chose. La télé ou bien la télévision. It is either you call it la télé or you call it la télévision. Is that clear? La télévision. La télévision. C'est clair? Très bien. So la télévision simply means what? Television. La télévision means what? Television. Okay, now let's look at the next object. Let's look at the what? The next object. Okay, ça c'est la moine. La moine. La moine. La moine. What's la moine? La moine simply means what? Wardrobe. Where we keep our clothes. Okay? La moine. C'est clair? Très bien. Voilà le fauteuil. Le fauteuil. Le fauteuil. What's le fauteuil? Le fauteuil simply means armchair. Le fauteuil simply means what? Armchair. Is that clear? Now, what is armchair called in French language? Armchair is called what? Le fauteuil. Le fauteuil. C'est clair? Très bien. Now, the next one is la commande. La commande. La commande simply means what? Shelf, drawer, like where we keep our books sometimes, our other things like our file. We want to keep our file, other important things that don't need to be exposed. We can keep them inside this very object, which is called what? La commande. La commande. Okay? La commande simply means what? Wardrobe. Is that clear? Très bien. If you are asked to name some of the objects found at home, I believe you can be able to name them. And if you are also asked to name some parts of the house in French language, they are very easy for you to what? Name. Remember, we have le salon, la chambre, les toilettes, la cuisine, la salle à manger, le bureau. Then talking about the object found at home, we have la chaise, la table, le tapis, le ventilateur, la porte, la fenêtre. C'est clair? Très bien. Okay, in today's class, we are going to stop here. See you in our next class. Je vais dire au revoir et à bientôt.